Going?
Yes.
Sweet. Alright, here we are with a 177 Marksman repeater bullshit ass gun that's not accurate beyond like 10 feet. Even then, it's not that fucking accurate. But I'm gonna shoot that can, it's gonna spray everywhere, and it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's 200 feet per second, this pistol, for anyone wondering. And it didn't do that the last time.
Last time we just did this. Dinky little hole.
Man, I gotta start buying like fucking, like,
Dude, you go to Walmart and get the cheap shit. The
yeah.
cheap shit.
So there you have it, people.
Don't play
That's
with guns.
Awesome.